I was about 10 years back, I suggested to Dr. Karad that you are topmost engineering, you are having topmost university, this education in engineering. But if you will have a law school, then you will see another change in your personality. And I'm happy today, Dr. Virappa Mauli ji, other judges are here. All of us are here not for this inauguration ceremony. Actually, we are here to felicitate you. My colleague Savitri Pandey, who has held so many offices in Supreme Court Bar Association, Madam from Pune Bar Association, and other faculty members and students. I'm delighted to be associated with this second International Symposium on Law and Justice. Mr. Karad has dedicated his entire life for promotion and preservation of peace and religion. When we enter his office, we don't feel we are coming to meet a person who is running so big organization, providing education, not only in this Pune and other parts also. And the students are not only in India who have passed from this institution throughout the world. Because when I'm attending some conference in foreign countries or Indian community is felicitating, I found many students who have passed from MIT. I also, about 30 years back, I came for admission for one of my relatives. Because everyone in India wanted to have admission in your college. And today I can safely say, within 2-3 years, in India, students who want to study law, they will be having first priority here, because here the students will not only learn law, they will learn religion. They will, today all of us had prayer. Nowhere in countries such type of prayer is there. So when parents will see what education the student is going to have, the tradition of our old system will be followed. So every parent would like their kids to study in your institution. I am happy that you have chosen this subject, law and peace. Because with the assistance of law, we can maintain peace. When we were having conference, International Conference of Jurists Against Terrorism in London, on behalf of International Council of Jurists, Peter Tomka, who was the President of International Court of Justice. President means like Mr. Justice Narasimha Reddy was, so Chief Justice. Chief Justice of International Court of Justice, Peter Tomka, was chairing our international conference in London. We were having that conference against terrorism. He told it is the duty of the judiciary maintaining peace, the young students of law. They have to also play a major role. So with these regards, I'm thankful that I've been given this opportunity. Today, I'm having 2 other programs. So tomorrow I will join. So I will take leave. I'm thankful. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for your participation in this inaugural session. My friends, what exactly are we discussing? What exactly is our aim and objective? If I can quote the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Justice Y.K. Sabarwalji, and I quote his words, "The marvel of all history is the patience with which men and women submit to the burdens unnecessarily laid upon them by their governments." Whose government? The concept of government, again in his word, is as old as human civilization. But is governance? It simply means the process of decision making and the process by which the decisions are implemented. So, with these definitions and with these quotes, what exactly we are trying to do here? We all are ruled by the law, government, and bureaucracy. All these functions based on law. But who creates this law? Who makes this law? How sensitive these lawmakers are? How interconnected these lawmakers are? Is there at all any coordination between the legislative assemblies of different states of our country? But unfortunately, the answer is no. When you go if you travel across the country, our country is really big. You will find different cultures, you'll find different languages, you'll find different people. But the objective of all the peoples, all the state assemblies should be towards bringing the progress to our country and ease to the life of the people. But when we talk about the coordination of these lawmakers across the nation, unfortunately, we don't find one. And with this exact thought, which was pinpointed by Honorable Executive President Shri Rahul V. Karatsa, and not today, not yesterday, but 5 years ago, he started working on a thought which will create a platform for all these legislators of all the states of our country to come together and deliberate upon the burning issues of our country, which gave birth to the first of its kind, probably in the world, the National Legislators Conference Bharat, Rashtriya Vidhayak Sammelan 2023, which is scheduled on 16th, 17th, and 18th of June 2023. I sometimes find really difficult to explain the concept because it is probably for the first time happening in our independent country since